Hey there, LandCruiser family! Today, we're upgrading the LC78 by installing the HDI front mount intercooler kit. Zero structure cutting, zero welding, 100% reversible. Designed by Australian, proven worldwide. First, let's get the front end ready. Remove the front grille, unbolt the factory bonnet latch support, and replace it with the HDI 3mm stainless steel support. Degas the AC lines.
When the heat climbs high and the pressure falls,
disconnect them.
Heart that's built to hold. We put the science in the soul.
Remove the AC lines bracket in order to remove the AC clip. Gently lower them, move it to the front in order to create room for the HDI intercooler. Gently reshape the AC line for better route. Reinstall the AC line joiner onto the supplied HDI relocation brackets. Reinstall the AC line clip onto the HDI relocation crack brackets shown in the video. Connect the AC sensor to the supplied HDI extension harness so the sensor cable can be routed behind the headlight bezel. Remove the garnish panel. Take out the headlights carefully. Unplug the connectors first so you don't pull any pins. Install the intercooler. Next, we'll install the engine intake side plumbing. Remove the battery and the battery tray. Remove the stock intake quick release hose. Flick off the spring clamp and slide it onto the HDI billet throttle body adapter. Apply a light amount of lubrication, then push the adapter into the engine intake manifold. Connect the two HDI intercooler cold pipes, SP224 and SP225 together using the supplied HDI adapter. Route them as shown and connect them to the pre-installed HDI billet throttle body adapter. Now let's plumb the turbocharger outlet. Remove the factory turbo outlet pipe. Disconnect the crankcase breather hoses and reconnect them using the supplied HDI oil catch can. Install the HDI turbo outlet adapter. Connect the HDI hot side silicones SP222 and SP223 with the HDI billet CNC IAT sensor joiner. Make sure the sensor hole faces upward. Remove the OEM air temperature sensor. Screw it into the HDI billet CNC IAT sensor joiner. Then connect it to the supplied HDI extension loom. Time to secure the pipework. Lightly lubricate the Viton seals. Push the pipes together, butt them up, and snap in the patented HDI quick couplers, one side first, then rotate and push firmly until the other side locks in. The front mount intercooler is now fully plumbed and sealed. Next step, remove the factory top mount intercooler. Disconnect the OEM water lines and install them onto the supplied HDI coolant temperature sensor adapter. Next, connect the coolant hoses as shown in the video. Bridge the straight joiner and sensor adapter by using the factory hoses removed previously. Free the coolant temp wiring clips so the harness can reach the new HDI coolant temp bypass adapter. It's more than a kid. It's the soul of performance, the perfect fit, HDI. Remove all OEM intercooler mounting bolts and lift out the factory top mount intercooler entirely. Final assembly. Reinstall the battery, headlights, and any trim removed earlier. Readjust all pipes and components for best alignment. Then tighten all T-bolts and spring clamps. Start the engine and check for boost leaks, coolant leaks, and confirm there are no fault codes. Mount the HDI oil catch can and install the supplied HDI rocket head cover panel with the provided brackets. And that's it, cooler, denser air, and improved performance without drilling a single hole. Time to hit the road and feel the difference.